Behind this garage door in Seattle, you might think it's a professional rock and roll drummer. Instead, you'll find 12-year-old Victoria Acosta, arguably one of the best kid drummers in the country.
It's my happy place, really. It's where I can get all my worries, my madness, whenever I'm mad, out. It's my happy place. It's where I love to be.
Victoria's been rocking out since she was in preschool. In fact, it was a beloved children's show that inspired her.
So when I was very little, like about 3 years old, I really liked cartoons. My favorite one was Peppa Pig. So I had like every Peppa Pig toy I could ever want. There was one episode where one of the characters were playing drums, and I got fascinated. I was like, I want to do that. So I started bugging my dad until I convinced him, and they got me music lessons, and I got a drum set for Christmas when I was 4.
And it didn't take long for Victoria to fall in love with drumming. But she quickly moved on from Peppa Pig to some serious heavy metal.
And so usually people don't expect what I'm about to say from this girl with pink shoes and all that. But it's like really hard metal, like Slipknot and all that.
Over the years, she has blossomed with the beats, showcasing her skills at concerts and on social media. She even caught the attention of some of the biggest rock musicians on the planet.
I was at the Rock and Roll Fantasy Camp, and I was playing with Stuart Copeland from The Police. We played Roxanne. It was really fun. He's such a nice guy, very fun to interact with, do music with. And I also played with other people.
She also jammed with musicians from Black Sabbath and Madonna. Victoria also has a huge social media following with more than 65,000 followers on Instagram. But her biggest fan is her father, Sergio.
I'm very proud. I feel very, I have a great responsibility as well, to support, to be at the level she needs to be supported. It's kind of intimidating, but we do what we can, right? I have been there the whole process. I've been how she works, how she make progress. Right? I've been watching, so she deserves what she has right now, all the attention and all the publicity she has, because she has worked a lot.
But Victoria, practice makes perfect. And today, she's giving me a quick lesson, which means it can get loud.
Hey, Doug, I think you're gonna need this.
Oh, the earplugs?
Yes.
If Victoria's getting ready to play, it's gonna get loud in this garage. Okay, so should I just go, or what should I do?
So, usually, drummers start with a simple groove. It's the money beat.
The money beat.
So, the right hand goes on the hi-hat.
Okay.
So it's crossed like that. And this one goes on the snare. Your left foot steps on the hi-hat. On the hi-hat.
On the hi. Oh,
yeah,
oh,
the
there,
other
there,
pedal.
oh, there,
So there's 2 pedals. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3.
What am I doing? How's that? Woo! Get right here. You know what? I'm going to let you finish playing because you're the professional. Nice work, Victoria.
Thank you. You too.
No doubt about it. Victoria is a rising star and is making Seattle proud one beat at a time. We can't wait to see what's in store for her.
She's pretty young for how she can play right now. So I'm very excited to see what's coming for her.
I want to play in my own band with my own original music. That's my dream.
Awesome, my God.